USD CAD, USD CAD. I don't think I did a video for this one in a little bit. It's definitely on the range. Top down analysis. Sorry. We're on the monthly time frame right now. In a big range. 100% in a big range since 2016. It's been struggling to break past this 1.39082. This price it's been a struggle to break. Now, there's two ways we can look at this. We can either anticipate price to bounce off this area again and to come back down to test this price down here, or we can pretty much wait to see if it breaks this price. Now, it's good to just be open. That's why I say we trade what we see, not what we think. So we have to be reactive to what the market is doing. These candles are emotions. It's people. It's just people's emotions. You know what I mean? So you really just never know. You can be like 100% right on your technical analysis and still be wrong on a trade. But let's be open to the fact that it could possibly break this price right here. Also be open to the fact that it could potentially bounce off. But for right now, it's in a range on the monthly, and I'm going to put bullish in parentheses because to me, higher time frame volume looks bullish. If this candle right here closes above this candle, this random blue line right here, if this candle closes above it, I would definitely say that's a clear indication that the market could go up, especially since we only have 1 day in this month left. All right, let's go to the weekly. The weekly is looking spicy, man. It's looking good. So the weekly is definitely bullish. I drew my triangle. Now, there's so many different triangles that you could say this is. It's not a asymmetrical triangle because, symmetrical triangle. It probably is an asymmetrical triangle because it's not equal on both sides. But triangles like this, 9 times out of 10, are a continuation pattern based off what the market was doing previously. So for this time frame, which is the weekly, price came up, it broke these levels of resistance right here with these two candles. Healthy break, very strong, healthy break. Very strong, healthy break. Then it came down to test newfound support to potentially consolidate for a little bit, come to a point, and shoot back up. You know, I think that's pretty ideal for what USD CAD is doing. Pretty much textbook. You know, I would say so. But we have to wait and see. Let's see. Let's go to the daily time frame. And the daily, you know, we're really starting to get into this triangle. So when in a candlestick pattern, you know, you kind of, a candlestick formation pattern, you kind of just want to be careful because it is really, you kind of got to look at that range. And, you know, this is only a 300 pip range. It's good enough to catch something, but you know, you kind of just want to be careful when you're in this range. I definitely, would say it's still bullish on the daily. Let me get a box up. So the daily, bullish. So yeah, the daily is bullish as well. But like I was saying, when you're inside of these triangles or rectangles or whatever, these candlestick formation patterns, you just want to be careful. You can catch moves inside of them, but yeah, I mean, it really is. It can get really choppy and confusing, and you can think that you're a bad trader because you're in that big consolidation zone. The best thing to do would be just to wait for it to come out and bounce off that formation pattern, off that newfound support or newfound resistance, and just get in on that next higher low if it's on a uptrend, and lower high if it's on a downtrend. But I think that's the easiest way, unless you're a scalper and you're getting in on those lower time frames. Definitely could have got in somewhere on the daily, if you'd have drew your fibs, but let's see. Take this off. I'm getting really claustrophobic. I need to clean up these charts. Alright, H4. H4, I'm going to leave this as bullish as well because it's pretty clean, This is an uptrend, Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Minor, higher high, higher low, So potentially that could be that could really be a setup right there, honestly. 38.2 retracement, longest price, long as this H4 candle closes above this random blue line right here, you would go in on the lower time frame, 30-minute or 15-minute, to find a break of resistance. One of these numbers. 2 candles, and enter there. This is the ideal entry for that lower time frame. But yeah, I'm not here to give signals. That's what I would do, but everybody sees the market differently. But as far as directional bias, 100% bullish for me. Watch that range though, that monthly range. But yeah, I would definitely say bullish. But that is it for all USD. I'll get back with y'all pretty soon because I got some more videos in store, some good content, and some things that I think will be very beneficial to this community. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Thank y'all. I'm out.